Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Take your workshop to the next level with this multifunctional vise. The specialized jaws feature 10 screw holes and 4 clamping posts for precise handling of irregular objects, while 2 protective washers help safeguard items like golf clubs, watches, and jewelry from damage. Its base clamp extends up to 4 inches, making it easy to secure onto workbenches of various thicknesses. Mount it permanently with screws or simply clamp it in place. A quick release button allows you to bring the jaws together quickly, without tedious screw adjustments. An integrated locking function prevents the sliding from slipping off the threaded spindle, ensuring safe and reliable use. The 360-degree O-shaped swivel base helps you position parts at any angle. Even left-handed users can find their perfect setup. This vise is forged from high-grade cast steel and finished with a corrosion-resistant spray. Hardened, hammered jaws offer durable gripping power for all your projects. This drill set offers impressive precision, similar to that of a bench drill, especially useful for installing cabinet door hinges. Thanks to the design of the alignment cams and detailed scale, users can easily locate the drilling position with high precision, making the hinge installation faster and more efficient. In addition, the carbide-tipped drill bit and the included depth ring also ensure that each cup hole has a uniform depth, avoiding the situation of drilling deviation or damaging the cabinet door. The product set also has auxiliary holes specifically for drilling hinge screw holes. But you need to prepare a 1/16-inch drill bit in advance because the set does not include this detail. The strength of the drill set is that it meets the maximum needs of both professional carpenters and ordinary users, helping to shorten the process from idea to finished product. Committed to providing innovative solutions, supporting carpenters to conquer their crafting goals with the desired precision and aesthetics. This advanced digital multimeter is meticulously engineered to handle an extensive range of measurements, all with remarkable accuracy. Equipped with user-friendly features like data hold, a large LCD backlit display, and a convenient kickstand, it transforms complex diagnostics into straightforward tasks. The auto shutoff function conserves battery life, while professional-level capabilities such as auto ranging and true RMS enhance precision when measuring both AC current and voltage. Ideal for troubleshooting a variety of automotive and household electrical problems, this reliable tool is built to ensure user safety and confidence. Its double ceramic fuse design offers robust protection against overloading and potential burnouts, delivering an extra layer of reliability. Whether you're tackling routine maintenance or chasing down an elusive electrical fault, this multimeter stands as a trusted partner for clear, precise, and secure testing. Introducing the AOBen electric ratchet wrench, a powerhouse tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with a robust 12-volt max motor, this tool delivers an impressive 40 feet-pounds of torque, making the removal and installation of bolts a breeze. What sets this ratchet wrench apart is its superior fastening speed, achieving up to 280 RPM, with a variable speed trigger that offers precise control for every task. An integrated LED light illuminates your workspace in low light conditions, while additional side-mounted indicators keep you informed about the remaining battery life. To enhance safety, a conveniently placed backward switch prevents any accidental activations. With an air-cooled motor and efficient heat-sinking capabilities, this tool maintains optimal performance even during prolonged use. Step into a new era of precision and versatility with this state-of-the-art welding solution, expertly designed for TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma applications, all while incorporating an innovative grinding feature. Perfect for both seasoned professionals and passionate hobbyists, this tool stands out with a generously sized viewing screen measuring 3.93 inch by 3.66 inches, equipped with 4 premium sensors that capture every nuance of your work. Enjoy a true-to-life color display that boasts 1111 optical clarity, ensuring every detail is rendered in vivid, accurate hues. The enhanced battery life means you can work uninterrupted for longer periods, while the ergonomically designed pivot-style headgear offers superior comfort, adapting seamlessly to your movements. This dynamic system redefines performance and ease of use, making it an indispensable asset in any workshop. Elevate your outdoor projects with this innovative 10-inch digital torpedo level, engineered to deliver flawlessly level surfaces every time. The integrated slope measuring tool offers precise percent slope readings, making it indispensable for both DIY enthusiasts and professional contractors. Designed to endure the elements, its IP54 rating ensures reliable waterproof performance even in adverse weather. The bright, flip LCD display guarantees effortless readability, no matter where you are. With the smart functionality of the Sheffield model, you can store up to 8 angle measurements, significantly streamlining your workflow. A robust magnetic base keeps the level stable on metal surfaces for hands-free operation. Combining durability with cutting-edge precision, this digital spirit level is an essential tool to ensure your outdoor creations are built to last. Experience a revolution in home improvement with the Control Pro 130 Power Tank, engineered to apply coatings 3 times faster than a roller while keeping overspray to a minimum. Enjoy up to 55% less overspray than traditional airless sprayers, which means easier prep work, faster cleanup, and a significant reduction in wasted paint or stain. Designed for versatility, the Power Tank handles a wide range of unthinned paints and stains, making it perfect for both interior and exterior projects. Its gravity-fed system ensures a quick, mess-free priming and cleaning process. With advanced HEA technology, this sprayer produces a softer, more controlled spray for a consistently flawless finish. The stationary design features a generous 1.5-gallon hopper and a 25-foot hose, empowering you to complete even the largest projects without interruption. Discover precision and power with the EaseArc Professional Copper Pipe Cutter Set, your go-to solution for a variety of pipe cutting tasks. The large tubing cutter effortlessly handles pipes ranging from 3/16 to 2 inches in outer diameter with up to 1/10 inch thickness, while the mini version is ideal for 1/8 to 7/8 inch pipes, especially in confined spaces where full rotations aren't feasible. Built with heat-treated SKD-grade cutting wheels and high-grade steel construction, these heavy-duty cutters easily slice through materials like aluminum, copper, PVC, and even thin stainless steel tubes. 6 individual bearings boost cutting speed and ensure smooth, precise cuts every time. Featuring a sturdy, ergonomic PVC knob for enhanced stability and efficiency, this versatile set is essential for home repairs, plumbing, electrical projects, and vehicle maintenance. Secure your projects with ease using these adjustable corner clamps, designed to fasten 2 boards or glass at precise angles of 60 degrees, 90 degrees, or 120 degrees. Their one-handed operation makes setup a breeze. Simply position the clamp and secure it instantly for a stable hold. Perfect for T-joints and corners, these clamps effortlessly adapt to boards of varying thicknesses, ensuring accurate angles every time. Ideal for small-scale woodworking repairs and maintenance, they are indispensable for crafting wooden boxes, furniture, cabinets, and even reinforcing picture frames. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, these adjustable corner clamps offer both practicality and precision. They also make a thoughtful gift for anyone passionate about woodworking or crafting handmade projects with family. Upgrade your chain maintenance routine with this versatile and efficient sharpening tool, designed to handle nearly every round ground chain type. Crafted for precision, it features a simple sharpening angle adjustment guide that ensures every cut is accurate and consistent. Whether you're at home or on the go, the included 12-volt car adapter and battery clips make it easy to use anywhere, providing you with ultimate flexibility in any situation. Replacement sharpening stones are readily available, so you can keep your tool performing at its peak. The kit comes complete with one each of 5 32-inch, 3 16-inch, and 7 32-inch sharpening stones, plus a collet wrench to help with maintenance. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this sharpening system offers a practical, user-friendly solution for achieving perfectly sharpened chains every time. Enhance your grout tool experience with this quick tip. For a smooth, one-handed glide, try loosening the screws on the backside ever so slightly. A gentle adjustment can make a significant difference, ensuring the tool feels comfortably snug without compromising control. Discover the versatility of Sacker's 3-in-1 silicone caulking tool, expertly combining an internal angle scraper, a flat angle scraper, and a silicone smoother into one handy device. This multifunctional tool effortlessly removes old sealant, cleans residual glue, and prepares gaps for a flawless reseal. Its sharp, hard stainless steel blade guarantees long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic silicone trowel smooths out bumps and dents with ease. White silicone pads provide a flawless finish when applying new caulk. With Sacker's caulk remover, you can achieve professional-grade results while enhancing both the adhesive quality and the aesthetic appeal of your surfaces.